Hi guys, Tony here. Just want to show you a video of a Toyota Hiace 12-seater commuter bus which we have converted into a family camper van. We'll walk you through in detail what we've done to this van in a minute. Obviously the purpose of this video is just to remind people after stage 4 lockdown it's highly unlikely we'll be flying anywhere anytime soon. So what better way to spend some time with your family and friends but going camping in something like this. Our first step to setting up a camper van, making sure you have enough power when you're on site, is very crucial. We've chosen to go for 2 Optima batteries in this case. Dry cell batteries, a very good reputation. Should you run them low, they will charge up again, no problem at all. We've gone again for the Red Arc battery charging system in this, coupled with a couple of solar panels up on the roof, which will give you plenty of power out in the sun for days. The battery system we've installed in this van has allowed us to install endless accessories such as a cooling fan, exhaust fan, USB charging. We've also got a 240 volt inverter, which means you can plug your coffee machine, your microwave or your blender in here also to make your breakfast, to make your lunch. We've also got a water pump which can run the tap obviously in the sink. We've got a refrigerator to keep your stuff cool. We've also got a gas detector for safety. There's endless things you can achieve just by starting off with a correct battery charging system. We've also installed a cruise control in this Hiace commuter bus. So when you're on those long trips, you can hit the cruise control button, let go of the accelerator pedal and not worry about speeding fines. Customer also wanted better sound in this vehicle. So we upgraded the speakers to Rockford Fosgate speakers, along with a couple of amplifiers. We've also installed a Pioneer radio, which will give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This means you can plug your smartphone into it and achieve Google Maps on the screen to help you get to your destination easier. We've also installed a cradle which will house your phone whilst you're driving. Security was a big concern for us in this camper van, so we chose to go for the Viper car alarm, which is wired up to all the doors in the vehicle, along with an impact sensor. We've also added a motion sensor inside the cabin. We've also installed a Viper tracking system, which is directly connected to the car alarm. This will enable the client to track the vehicle from their smartphone 24/7, along with enabling and disabling the car alarm from their smartphone anywhere in the world. We also decided to put a thinkware dash cam in the vehicle. This will give them recording front and rear of the vehicle in full HD. We chose to wire this directly to the auxiliary batteries, which means as long as there's sun in the air, the solar panels produce charge to the batteries, which means this dash cam will never turn off. It'll record 24/7. Once again, audio visual security. Give us a yell when we're out of lockdown and we can get your vehicle set up for camping. Thank you.